What happens to children when parents separate or divorce? Section 26 of the Hindu Marriage Act answers this critical question, putting the welfare of minor children, not parental rights, at the heart of every decision. Let's break it down. When a matrimonial case, like divorce, judicial separation, or annulment, is pending before the court, Section 26 empowers the judge to pass temporary or interim orders for the custody, maintenance, and education of the children. These orders ensure children's daily needs are protected throughout the legal proceedings. The guiding principle is always clear: the welfare and best interests of the child. Courts take into account not just the age and needs of the child, but also, if possible, their own wishes. If a child is mature enough to express a meaningful opinion, their view is considered, and when the final decree is issued, the court can lay out long-term arrangements for where the child will live, who will provide financial support, and how their education will continue. But even after the case concludes, the story doesn't always end there. If circumstances change, either parent can approach the court to modify earlier orders. The court has continuous authority, meaning it can adjust, revoke, or suspend custody, maintenance, or educational provisions at any time, if it believes such changes are necessary for the child's welfare. Key Supreme Court judgments reinforce this focus. In Rosie Jacob v. Jacob A. Chakramakal, the court declared that child welfare always comes first, making parental rights secondary. In Gaurav Nagpal v. Sumedha Nagpal, the Supreme Court emphasized emotional development and overall well-being as guiding lights for all custody decisions. Mausami Moitra Ganguly v. Jayant Ganguly went further, insisting that physical, emotional, moral, and educational welfare should shape every arrangement, considering all surrounding circumstances. Let's consider a practical scenario. Imagine a couple in divorce proceedings with a 10-year-old child. The court may order the child to live with the mother, while directing the father to provide monthly maintenance for the child's education and living expenses. After the divorce, if the father finds the child's schooling or living environment has changed significantly, he can seek a modification of custody or visitation rights. Similarly, if the child, upon growing older, wishes to live with the other parent, the court may review and change the earlier order, always putting the child's welfare first. Section 26 is a safeguard. It guarantees that the court stands ready to protect the upbringing, education, and future of minor children, both during and after matrimonial proceedings. Parents and guardians can be assured that as circumstances evolve, they have the right to request changes, and the court has the power to ensure every decision serves the child's best interests. Understanding Section 26 brings clarity, reassurance, and confidence. No matter how complex family situations become, Indian law provides a framework that places children's needs above all else. If you're facing these challenges, remember, your child's welfare is the court's primary concern, and legal remedies are available to protect their future. Thank you for listening. If this explanation helped clarify a difficult topic, share it with someone who might benefit. Empower yourself and others with knowledge, because informed decisions lead to brighter futures.